You watching in the mirror?
Who's that? Who's that cute boy?
Sitting so nice and still.
Save him for Mama.
Oh, yeah. I want to save them.
Get one good one. We'll get one good one with this big chunk right here.
Oh my goodness.
I know, just like, oh, he's like,
What are you doing? You getting your hair cut?
yeah.
It's a truck.
Is this the best place ever?
I know.
A truck. Oh, buddy, you are so good.
I know.
Wait till he sees what he gets for a prize when he's done.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're gonna get your prize?
Yeah, I think we've got something here.
As long as it has wheels.
Oh, it does.
Hi. Hi. A truck. That's a truck.
This truck is first word.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Awesome. One in like, he's got about 10 words, and truck is probably 90% of them. Oh, it's mostly truck though.
16 months.
Oh, really? They love those vehicles. It's so funny how they just, you know,
Fixate on one
go
thing.
to that, yeah.
Big truck.
Ready?
Nice hair bag.
Actually, just unbag
Whoa.
There it goes. What is that? Is the truck starting? Is it gonna take off? You like the little one, huh? It's more your size. Dude, you are doing awesome. I'm impressed.
I know.
I know. It's so fun. It's so fun.
Oh, good. You level it up for it.
Could you be any cuter? Check. Check. Look at your little surfer dude. Surfer dude.
Oh, you look sweet, Jack.
I'm just going to layer it a little bit so
Yeah.
it doesn't sit so heavy
Yeah.
right there. Check. Yeah. Tell us more. Tell us a story. Tell us a story. That's a truck. That's a truck. What does it have on there? Do you see? Look, what's this right here? Can you tell? Is it a doggy? A doggy truck? Is that the silliest thing ever? You didn't see that, huh?
We'll
See his doggy
continue this
ears?
later.
Where's his